Hello guys, today we want to teach you how to get used to the Affinity interface. Let's check out this is the Affinity interface. Let's open. So this Affinity is made free forever. It's checking my license for me to log in. Then this is how to create your first Affinity document. Then this is a list of A3, A4, this A5. Okay, then click on this plus icon here. Click here. And then this is a list of paper size that is showing you that you can select from here. But then there is something. Paper size RGB, it has divided your color section already. You have paper size CMYK. So the same paper size you have up here is the same paper size you have down here. The only difference is the CMYK, the RGB. So you can select this paper size, they work with RGB, then come down here, select this and work with CMYK. Thank you. So right now, let's go. This is our presets. So from our presets here, then click on the plus, create document. It has opened. This document, this is A3. So right now, you can, let's press Ctrl and scroll to realign. So from here, these are the basic tools. Under vectors, you have this is our node tool. Basically, our pick, let's say our pick tool. It's essential in edges. For instance, you pick your rectangle tool here, and then you pick this node tool. You can able to move the nodes simultaneously like this. This is what it means. Then this is our color section. This is the color section you can use to change basic colors like this. You can change color at the moment like this, and then you can insert a color code. Let's say a company gives you a color code, you can insert from here as well. And then as you are turning, you achieve basic colors in that order. You can also, let's say you pick a color. Let me see. Okay, 100% noise, opacity noise. Okay, so right now we have a layer section as well. Come to pixels. This is a pixel form, but without the pixels, so you can also see the layers here popping out. Let's duplicate this. We'll press Ctrl. Let's duplicate. So as you press duplicate, look at the different layers. You can rename your layer. Let's say George by pressing George. Well, let's type. I don't think the spelling is correct. George. Then so that as your workspace is getting more bulky, you can know where to go and then make changes easily. These are the different swatches. These are strokes. The different strokes you'll be using, your appearance. It tells you whether it's having a fill color. Then the transformation is down here. The transformation is giving you that base. Look at, you can zoom in more than 500 times to see one particular thing. This is your history base. Is trying to tell you what you have been doing. That is, for instance, this transform is telling me that I added the last thing I did. I added a rectangle. So from here, let me see. It's still telling me that yes, I added a rectangle. That's all. So let's come to the main header section here. This is the AI based selection. This AI, from here you can be able to use your AI, but if you click here, it tells you that you should upgrade your Canva plan to unlock the AI tools in Affinity. So once you upgrade, you're able to achieve your effect. For instance, you remove auto removal of backgrounds here. You can remove them with AI tools without any seamless or any problem at all. So right now, let's go back. close this, come back to pixels and vector. So if you like our tutorial, remember to subscribe and hit the like button.